Hello students, this video is about question and answers of class 4th EVS chapters. Chapter 3 Animals and their young ones. Section A, choose the correct option for each of the following. First question, identify the animal that does not reproduce by laying eggs. Answer is deer, because housefly, butterfly, fish reproduce by laying eggs. So here correct answer is option B, that is deer. D-E-E-R, deer. Second question, the jelly-like white colored substance that is present inside the egg shell is albumen, yolk, eggshell, embryo. Answer is option A, that is albumen. Its correct spelling is ALBUMEN. Third question, the process of shedding old skin by animals is called incubation, metamorphosis, molting, life cycle. The correct answer is molting. The process of shedding old skin by animals is called molting. M-O-U-L-T-I-N-G. M-O-U-L-T-I-N-G. Molting. Next question. Identify the egg-laying animal from the following: hippopotamus, zebra, frog, cat. The correct answer is frog. Frog is the egg-laying animal. So correct answer is frog, F-R-O-G. Question number 5. In which of these animals does the development of the young one takes place inside the mother's body? Grasshopper, housefly, rabbit, lizard. Answer is rabbit. The development of the young one take place inside the mother's body. Answer is rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Section B, fill in the blanks with the correct words. First one, birds reproduce by dash. Laying eggs, giving birth to young ones. Answer is laying eggs. Birds reproduce by laying eggs. Second one, the large cluster of frogs' eggs is called spawn. S-P-A-W-N, spawn. The large cluster of frogs' eggs is called spawn. Third question, lizards lay their eggs in water, on the ground. Answer is on the ground. Lizards lay their eggs on the ground. On the ground. Fourth one, animals that feed their young ones with their own milk are called dash. Animals that feed their young ones with their own milk are called mammals. Mammals, M-A-M-M-A LS. Mammals. Fifth one, mammals breathe with the help of dash. Mammals breathe with the help of lungs. Answer is lungs. LUNGS. Section C, match the following. You have to match column A with column B. First one, butterfly. Butterfly comes from caterpillar. Butterfly, caterpillar. Second one, hen. Its young one is chick. Hen, chick. Frog. Its young one is tadpole. Frog, tadpole. Fourth one, grasshopper. Its young one is nymph. NYMPH. Cow. Its young one is calf. Section D. State whether the following statements are true or false. First one, all animals reproduce by laying eggs. It is false because all animals do not reproduce by laying eggs. Second one, yolk is the yellow colored substance that is present inside the egg. It is true. Third one, mammals such as dolphins come up to the surface of water to breathe in air. It is also true. Fourth one, after hatching, the tiny caterpillar that comes out from the eggs of a butterfly is known as pupa. It is false because that stage is called larva, not pupa. So after hatching, the tiny caterpillar that comes out from the eggs of a butterfly is known as pupa is false. Fifth one, a tadpole looks similar to an adult frog. It is also false. Tadpole doesn't look similar to adult frog. Section E, give two examples for each of the following. First one, egg-laying animals. Two examples of egg-laying animals are frog and hen. Frog and hen. Second one, animals that give birth to young ones. Cow and deer. Animals that give birth to young ones. Cow, deer. Third, aquatic mammals. Aquatic mammals, dolphin, whale. Dolphin and whale. Fourth one, animals that lay eggs in water. Animals that lay eggs in water, fish, frog. Fish and frog. Fifth one, animals that undergo molting. Animals that undergo molting, butterfly and snake. Butterfly, snake. Section F, give reasons for the following. First one, eggs are kept under incubation. Eggs are kept under incubation. Answer, because to keep them warm. Because to keep them warm for development of embryo. Eggs are kept under incubation because to keep them warm for development of embryo. Second one, the yolk of an egg is very important to the growing embryo. Answer, because yolk consists of the essential nutrients. Because yolk consists of the essential nutrients required for the development of a growing baby. Third one, out of many eggs laid by the snakes, only a few develop into adults. Answer, because some of the eggs are eaten by other animals. Because some of the eggs are eaten by other animals. Fourth one, we say that frog undergoes metamorphosis. Answer, because young frog looks very different. Because young frog or tadpole looks very different from adult frog. Very different from adult frog. So frog undergoes metamorphosis. Because young frog, tadpole, looks very different from adult frog. So frog undergoes metamorphosis. Fifth one, whale is considered as a mammal. Whale is considered as a mammal. Answer, because they breathe through lungs, give birth to young ones. Because they breathe through lungs, give birth to young ones. Give birth to young ones and also feed milk to their babies. Also feed milk to their babies. Section G. Answer the following questions briefly. First question, define reproduction. Answer, the process by which living things reproduce young ones of their own kind is called reproduction. The process by which living things produce young ones. The process by which living things produce young ones of their own kind. Is called reproduction. Second question, what are the different ways in which animals reproduce? Answer, animals reproduce by laying eggs. Animals reproduce by laying eggs, and also Animals reproduce by giving birth to young ones. So these are the different ways in which animals reproduce: by laying eggs and by giving birth to young ones. Third question, what is incubation? Answer: the eggs are kept in a warm place. The eggs are kept in a warm place, or the parent animals sit on their eggs. The eggs are kept in a warm place, or the parent animals sit on their eggs to keep them warm. To keep them warm, this process is called incubation. This process is called incubation. Fourth question, what are aquatic mammals? What are aquatic mammals? Answer: some mammals such as dolphins and whales. Some mammals such as dolphins and whales. Dolphins and whales live in a water. Where they live? Dolphins and whales live in a water. They are called aquatic mammals. They are called aquatic mammals. Fifth question, how do mammals take care of their young ones? How do mammals take care of their young ones? Answer: mammals keep their babies clean and warm. Mammals keep their babies clean and warm. And they protect their babies. They protect their babies from enemies. From enemies. Section H, answer the following questions. In that first one, describe the structure of an egg with the help of a diagram. Describe the structure of an egg with the help of diagram. Answer: eggs of birds have the same kind of internal structure. Eggs of birds have the same kind of internal structure. The thin, hard outer layer that protects the contents of the eggs is called the eggshell. The thin, hard outer layer that protects the contents of the eggs is called the eggshell. The eggshell. The jelly-like white color substance, that is present inside the eggshell, is called the albumen. The yellow colored substance present within the albumen is called the yolk. Now I am going to draw structure of an egg. This is egg membrane. And this is albumen, and this is yolk, and here air sac is present below this, so that part is air sac. So this is the structure of an egg, consisting of egg membrane, albumen, yolk and air sac. Second question, describe the life cycle of a butterfly. Describe the life cycle of a butterfly. So here I am going to draw life cycle of a butterfly. In the life cycle of a butterfly, these are eggs, and it is a caterpillar, pupa, and this one is adult butterfly. So these are connected like this, and mention this figure as life cycle of a butterfly. Eggs, caterpillar, pupa, adult butterfly. The life cycle of a butterfly has 4 stages. The life cycle of a butterfly has 4 stages. Butterflies lay their eggs on leaves. A small worm-like caterpillar hatches from the eggs. A small worm-like caterpillar hatches from the eggs. This stage is called larva. The small worm-like caterpillar hatches from the eggs. This stage is called larva, the caterpillar grows in size by eating the leaves of the plants. The caterpillar grows in size by eating the leaves of the plants and develops a protective covering around itself. Develops a protective covering around itself. This stage is known as pupa. The caterpillar grows in size by eating the leaves of the plants and develops a protective covering around itself. This stage is known as pupa. The pupa sheds its old skin. The pupa sheds its old skin many times and adult butterfly comes out from the pupa. Adult butterfly comes out from the pupa. Third question. What are the main features of mammals? Answer. The main features of mammals are mammals have a well-developed brain. Mammals have a well-developed brain. Most of them have hair on their body. Most of them have hair on their body. Most of them live on land. So most of the mammals live on land. They breathe through their lungs. They breathe through their lungs. They are warm-blooded animals. They are warm-blooded animals. Critical thinking questions. First one, Rahul says the young ones of all animals look like their parents. Do you agree? Why or why not? Answer, no. There are some animals whose babies are entirely different. There are some animals whose babies are entirely different from their parents. Entirely different from their parents. For example, animals such as frogs and butterflies undergo different stages in development. frogs and butterflies undergo different stages in development. Second one, a dolphin lives in water but does not have gills like other fish. Still, it survives in water. How? Answer, because dolphin has nostrils. Dolphin has nostrils called blowholes on the top of its head. Because dolphin has nostrils called blowholes on the top of its head, it comes to the surface of the water from time to time. It comes to the surface of the water from time to time to breathe through the blowholes. It comes to the surface of the water from time to time to breathe through its blowholes. Thank you for watching the video. Like the video and please subscribe my channel.